Hey there, today I'll show you in under 5 minutes how you can get more orders on Fiverr. So let's just jump right into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is install this Chrome extension called Fiverr Made. Full transparency, I'm not affiliated with them. I just use this tool regularly and I think it works really well and it's really neat. And all you need for this video is the free version, so you don't need to pay for anything. So go ahead, install this extension to Fiverr Made. You might need to create an account. You know all the drill. I'll let you figure out this yourself, but once you've installed Fiverr Made, come back here and we'll go through the next steps. So once you've installed Fiverr Made and got it running, you should head over to Fiverr, and by this point you should already know what you want to sell on Fiverr, and this video is about increasing the orders on your active gigs, right? And so you already know the service that you're selling, and what you want to do is basically either go into your category or go into the keyword that you're trying to rank for, right? And so let's say you are in the digital marketing space, you can go directly in that category, or let's say you are trying to rank for a certain keyword, you should just go ahead and type it in here. So for example, you could type in something like social media marketing, right, or social media manager, and then Fiverr gives you the search results for that keyword, and you might want to try to rank for this keyword, right? And so what you want to do is, if you have Fiverr Made installed, what you're going to see is that if you load search results, the Fiverr Made bar is going to appear. Now here we don't see it, and the problem is probably that I'm not logged in yet. So what you have to do, there we go, right? So basically you have this Chrome extension, and you have to wait a little bit, and as long as you're logged in, basically Fiverr Made is going to load on your Fiverr search page, and so you are going to get all of these different results. So you have the keyword explorer that's showing you different keywords and tags that you can use to rank for this keyword or this category, and then you also get some information, all the sellers that you can see. And so basically the first step was install Fiverr Made, and then you want to go into a category or the keyword you want to rank for and open this up. And now the first thing you want to do is basically compare the tags that you have in your gig with the tags of the top sellers, right? And so for example, here we have a Reddit Pro, and this seller is top rated, and you can look at these sellers. And here Fiverr Made shows you the tags that these sellers use for these gigs. And so what you can do first is compare the tags that you use for your gig with the tags of the top sellers, and then see if you have tags in there that are missing for your gig, or you might have tags in your gig that are not as fitting, and you can exchange them for these gigs right here. And let me just show you how you do this. So here I am in my gig editing page, and what you want to do is scroll down here, and here you have this section called positive keywords, and these are what we call tags, which are basically keywords you're trying to rank for. And basically what you can do now by looking at the top sellers is compare their tags with yours and see if you're missing something or you want to replace something. Next up, once you've done that, the third thing you want to do is go up here to the keyword explorer. That at the moment it's still loading, right? This sometimes happens. If it keeps looking like this, just refresh your page. But basically here Fiverr Made is showing you keywords that fit to this category or to the keyword that you search for, right? And what you can do here is simply go through these keywords and see if you find like long tail keywords or keywords that are a bit, out there, that are not as common, and see if you can try to rank for them, right? Because if you find an interesting long tail keyword that not a lot of sellers are trying to rank for, then basically you can insert that keyword into your gig title and description and try ranking for those keywords where there's less competition, which should also increase your orders. And the very last step that you can do to increase your orders is go through the search results for the category or keyword that you search for and look at all the sellers and watch out for things that will make you stand out from them, right? And there are very good chances in all of Fiverr that most sellers will not have a gig video, which you would be seeing with like a play button, but all these people don't have a gig video. And the second thing you can do is check their profile and see if those sellers have an intro video, right? This seller does not have an intro video, so this is another way to stand out. And so basically what you want to do is create a gig and intro video for your gig and profile, which will make you stand out even more among those other sellers. Alright, that was a bit over 5 minutes, but basically in a very short video I showed you some tips and tricks on how you can increase your orders. And if you want to actually have a step-by-step instruction on how to optimize your Fiverr profile and your gigs and really make Fiverr worthwhile, go check out my free Fiverr community in the link below. It's completely free to join and to get started. And so just join me there and I'll be there to help you all along the way.